All right, here we go. Here is our zone plays. So when the team zones us, this is what we'll do. Some of them are specifically for 2-3, some of them are specifically for 1-3-1, 1-2-2. If the team decides to do that to us, highly doubt they would. But in any opportunity, this is a great chance for us to do some zone plays. We don't have as many of them because, as you probably know, teams don't really zone us that much. But it's always great to have them. This first one is my play Dots. Okay, Dots is just a setup, very much like how Bulldog, we can do the same things over and over again. We're just looking to score out of this, okay? We have to go to the empty spot. So right now, my 1 has the ball. I have a 2, 5, and a 3 down here, and then my Dots girl. Dots girl is going to be the girl that gets to work the middle. She can come up, she can kind of bounce around, go wherever it's open. It's her job to either set screens, post up, just go to the open spot. So right now, if 1 had the ball, 2 would be kind of out here, 4 would be kind of inching up here, 5 would kind of go over. If they were smart, 1 would guard here, and 3 would kind of be over here. Do you see how the ball all shifts? Couple of rules with dots. If my opposite wing has the ball, this opposite baseline is going to come over here and post up. They're kind of going to sneak kind of back, and post up right there. This way that if the ball gets passed into 4, they can turn around and dump it to 5, or we've got this skip all the way down here. If nothing is open there, 1 can pass the ball across. Everybody kind of shifts as they would. This 5 comes back out. 3 comes here. 5 would kind of go this way, so on and so forth. And that's what it would look like. Again, opposite wing. These 2 can exchange. If this person wants to go to baseline, this person wants to come up. 4 can come set a ball screen for this one right over here. They can rip and go, pass here, so on and so forth. There's not really a whole lot of things, a whole lot of rules to dots. Again, the only rule is that if you are opposite, you come post up, or the only other rule is, like, let's for example say 4 gets the ball. Okay, let's say 4 gets the ball. This is what would happen. They would crash here. There'd be about 3 people on 4. They either get to kick it out. For 3, they can kick it out this way, or 5 and 1, you have to crash the basket because what's going to be open is a wide open lane right there. And again, this is called dots. It just looks like the 5 on a die, and there's not a whole lot of rules to it. So this is dots. All right, the next one is what is called stationary. Contrary to the name, you are not to be stationary in this. You have to be moving around constantly. Again, the way to beat a zone is to go to the open spots. Right now, there's a lot of open spots, right? There's the corners, there's this high post area. So that is what stationary is really focusing on. Is that 5 and 4 are just making X's when it comes to where the ball is. So like, let's say 1 passes the ball to 3 here. What's going to happen is my opposite post is going to come high post. They're going to kind of overload this side. They'll go to the elbow. They can come to the free throw line. It doesn't matter. We kind of want to overload this side, and 4 is going to step out short corner. Okay, this gives the opportunity, like let's say 2's guarding here, 5 can go set a ball screen, they can rip and go, it doesn't matter. If nothing's open there, 5's here, the ball comes back here, we reverse it. Now what's going to happen is 5's going to be the one to step out short corner, and 4 has to sprint their butt across to the opposite elbow. So this is just stationary. 1 and 3 might go exchange here. They might like switch spots. one might set a back screen here for 3. It's not a whole lot of, again, there's not a whole lot of rules here. It's just if you are on ball side, you are short corner, and the other post runs across to high post, crossing, kind of going to the elbow area. And right now, if we look, the open spots would be a skip pass over here, where then 5 can sprint across, 4 can dive down, and ooh, look at that! That would be an amazing little pass right there, and get a wide open bucket. And that is stationary. Probably my favorite play is going to be basic. What's going to happen is that, like if we were in basic, we'll have 2 high guards. We'll have 2 posts on the block, and then we have a 3rd baseline runner. Baseline runner has to get to ball side, or can be patient and wait and then go through. So what's going to happen if 1 has the ball here, right? 2 would be guarding them. 5's going to come up here and set a ball screen. While that's happening, right, 1's going to be kind of shifted over this way, 4's going to be kind of out, 5's kind of taking a step up, and 4 is going to be, my 4, this one right here, the red, is going to be posting the crap out of 3, okay? This is a ball screen, so they're going to rip and go. If you have a wide open lane, go get it. Otherwise, this person's rolling. We can make that pass right there. And if that happens, we can either kick out for a 3 or dump it in right there. That is why that person is posting up so hard right there. Let's say that roll is not open. We reverse. Kind of everyone kind of gets back to their spots. 5 comes down here. You want to be below the block if you're opposite. 3 can run across, go baseline, okay? 2 can come, my point guard's right here. And then again, post, you're on ball side, go set a ball screen. You got to go set a screen on the girl. You can't just like go to the spot. You can't just run up here. If the girl's not guarding her, go set that screen right there. 2 again, rip. If it's not there, 4's rolling. 5 should be posting up opposite. You have this option right here. If not, reverse. And then we're back in it. This is basic. All right, one of my all-time favorite plays is what is known as Red 2. It is set up actually, oddly enough, in a 5 high, which gives me a lot of open space, right? Because they're going to be guarding out here. This person's probably going to be pulled up. And this kind of gives that one-on-one opportunity for 4. So what's going to happen, let's say we have the ball right here, and we're going to pass to player 3 right over here. The defense will kind of shift. They'll go like this, okay? And what's going to happen is this player right in the middle is going to cut ball side. They're just going to run straight to that block. What's going to be open is a wide open lane right there. You pass that if it's open. If not, 5 is coming across, and 4 is just exiting out the other side. Now we're back in it. If we reverse, pass here, reverse, reverse. Now what happens? They jump. It's ball side, so they're going to go to that ball side block. We can get a wide open lane right there. If it's not there, this person's going to run across and filter through. Do you guys see the pattern here? Pass, pass, pass. Boom, jump down. 4 comes across. 3's got to get out the other side. Now, let's say we make a pass right in here to 4. Let's say right off the bat, that is an open pass. What 4 is going to do is turn around and face. If you have a wide open shot, great, take it. But what is going to happen is that everybody's going to collapse in here. So you're probably not going to get a wide open shot. So what my 2 wings are going to do here is they're going to crash and go get a lay-in. And I will tell you that these 2 passes, whether you pass to this side or this side, if the ball goes to the middle, they will be open every single time. Okay, this is Red 2. All right, this next play is called Husky. I know it's Rachel's personal favorite play. Husky is a play that we're looking for our 2 posts on the block or on the elbows and our 2 guards on the block. What's going to happen is that, like, let's say 2 comes up here and guards 1. What 4 is going to do is 4 is going to step out and we're going to make that pass here. What 2 is going to have to do is come over here and guard this. Once that pass is made, 3, you got to get out. 2, you got to get out, which is going to draw these 2 people away. 1, you got to kind of shuffle over to the other side. And what 5 is going to do is they're going to come crash. Where the pass is going to be open is right in the middle of the key. Then 5 has a one-on-one opportunity against here. Go get a lay-in. If that is not there, these people will crash, and you've got to kick out either direction for a wide open 3. This is Husky. All right, just a couple more. This one is Pinch. My Pinch girl, I want to get a wide open 3 for number 1. What's going to happen is these 2s and 3s are actually going to be out here on the wing. So they're going to pass over here to 2, and when that happens, 4, you have to set a screen on the outside of the defender, and 3, you're going to have to set a screen on the outside for number 2. 1 is going to flare across, and this is going to be a wide open skip pass to number 1. Number 2, you've got to be strong with the ball and skip it over to 1 for a wide open 3. This is Pinch. Next one is Clutch. Starts the same as Pinch, except this time my Clutch girl has to be number 3 here. We want it on the right side, and we also want it to be a good shooter out here. So what's going to first happen is 1's going to pass the ball to 3, and 4 is going to step out to the short corner. What's going to happen is that they have to come out here and fly. Okay, 3 is going to pass the ball to 4, and 3 is going to cut to the basket. That is not going to be open. It might look open, it will not be open. Once 3 makes that cut here, 1 is actually going to fill right here, and we got to make a good pass to 1. When that happens, 4 is going to set a wonderful screen on the outside of this defender, and 3 is coming along the baseline for a wide open 3. Number 3 is my Clutch girl because she got clutch genes, and she's going to knock that shot down. It's called Clutch. All right, last but not least, probably one of my all-time favorite plays. It looks really funky, but it's called Chase, like you're chasing someone. Okay, what 1's going to do is they're going to start with the ball here, and what they are going to do is they're going to actually dribble over to this wing. When that happens, my 2 and my 3, my wings are stacked up here, and 4 and 5, my posts are stacked up on the right side. This is a play for my post. What's going to happen is 2 is going to come up, and right in between those defenders is going to come up top here. That pass is going to be made right here. Once 2 makes that gets that past, 3, you are going to the corner. You're making it look like you are a decal. You know what? This will be open 2 or 3 times. 2 is going to dribble the ball over, and now we have overloaded the crap out of this side. 4 is going to have to come be a defender out here and guard 3. 5 and 3 are going to have to come here. 2's guarding here. So as we can see, a wide open shot is going to be right here in this short corner. What's going to happen is whoever the bottom post is they're going to run around that top post. The bottom post is going to go set a screen on 5 so that we can make a little jumper right there. That is called Chase. Let me show you one more time. All right, Chase. So 1 is dribbling over to the wing. When that happens, that's this first guard's cue to split the defense right here. They're going to be past the ball, and they're dribbling over to the wing. When all of this is happening and they're dribbling over to the wing, 3 is going to go to the corner. Again, this might be wide open. You might get a 3 there, so you need to be ready and catch to shoot. Otherwise, 4 is wrapping around 5, 5 setting a screen on that post, and we get a Y.